Chimpu and Bunny are going for a trek.
Bunny, look, a fallen tree. Let us clear the path.
Bunny tries to lift the tree trunk.
Hey Chimpu, come and help me lift the tree trunk. It is heavy.
We were able to lift the leaves and twigs easily as they were light.
The leaves and twigs are light, but the fallen tree trunk is heavy.